Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a tweet on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on the tweet that you want to download. You can currently only download photos from Twitter. So now you can go ahead and tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of your screen. Now you can go ahead and tap on Save. And that's it. This is how you download a tweet from Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.